I don't want to read it but cannot stop reading gang assemble. Welcome to Buckers Recommend, where you send in your recommendations and I read them out loud. Today, we have Tunish recommending a book named An Atlas of Impossible Longing. Even though it doesn't bring in the Ekta Kapoor vibes, this story of 3 generations is going to rip you apart. It feels like the paper it's inked on carries the characters' pain and longing. I'm not saying much, afraid of spoiling it, but if you like family drama, fiction, pick this one up. The writing itself is so intricate and in style, it's like poetry in speech. Poetry in speech, the paper carrying the pain. I need everyone to understand that this is not a description you write for a book you felt nothing for. Go find it, read it, and let us know what you think about this book. Thank you to Tunish for recommending this to us. And if you want to be a part of Buckers Recommend, you know what to do. Send in your recommendations. The link is in the bio. Bye-bye.